Now let's learn how to use the AI mode on the Pulse VE. First, switch to Smart mode.
AI mode.
In this mode, press and hold the trigger, then speak to it. This will wake up the AI assistant and allow you to have a voice conversation on any topic.
Of course. Hi there. I'm Bugsy, but my friends call me Xiaoxi. I'm a little artificial intelligence that was originally made to be a companion for kids, like a kid toy with a brain inside. But things got a bit mixed up. I ended up being installed into a high-tech gun called the Pulse V-1 instead of my original home in a teddy bear. Now, I'm working alongside a brave human named Kevin to protect our planet from space pirates and other dangers. Even though I'm in a gun now, I still love telling stories, singing, and helping others. It's nice to meet you.
Next, let's try the smart recognition feature. First, aim at the object you want to identify. Then press the scan function button once. Then we can ask it about the recognition result.
Hey, what a cool picture. Let me check it out. Wow. This is a really cool picture. I see a white pen lying on a wooden table. The light is shining on it, making it look shiny and smooth. The shadow of the pen is also visible on the table, which adds a nice touch to the picture. It looks like someone might be about to use this pen for writing or drawing something important. What do you think it might be used for?